Gabby, you ready to help mommy? You gonna finish your lunch? Thank you. So, the table I made that was supposed to go in this area didn't work out quite the way I wanted to. So, I am going to do a patchwork on some foam and glue these pieces together. And we are going to make a bench for the bedroom. And the fabric that we found was at Hobby Lobby, and it is this boucle type fabric. So I'll be using this, and it was actually on sale this week for 30% off. So check them out if you want to catch this fabric. Even if it's not, it's a beautiful fabric. So that's what we are going to work on today. And also, what I'm going to try to do and share in this video is I'm going to test something out. I found these paper lanterns at Hobby Lobby as well. And just because I'm sick and tired, and excuse my house, by the way, of these crusty little ones, I'm going to try to put them and wrap them because the paper lanterns are they can clasp together because they have a metal piece on the back side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put them together and wrap them around what is currently hanging here and clasp the metal piece so it faces the window. So we're going to try that, and we are going to try, as we try to clean up this messy house, to do something with this. So wish me luck. Now this is going to go. Okay, it seems simple enough, so let us try it. Okay, so in the kitchen, I went ahead and put up those paper lanterns. I like it. I really, really like it. I think for $3 clearance price a piece for some paper lanterns, I think they work exceptionally well, in my honest opinion. They cover up the really old glass lanterns that were here, and there should have been a clip previous to this one where you saw me basically just cleaning off the current pendant lights that are under the paper lanterns that you see hanging now, and then I just clipped these right on top. It was the easiest thing to do to make this kitchen feel more modern with that. Hey, Gabby. Hey, Mama. To make this kitchen feel more modern along with that mid-century touch. And we are going to freshen up the paint around here, the white paint. And the next thing we're going to do is to get some blinds. I would prefer actually some wooden blinds. So those will be ordered shortly as well. But I'll try to turn them around again because, let me see, oh, there you go. This is where the two metal pieces are. There's one metal piece here, and then there's one metal piece at the bottom. So all I did as you see, was I just turned them to the window, and voila, there you have it. So that's part of the upgrade, affordable upgrade that we did to the house today. If anyone wants to, wants to order these, or if you're interested, I will show you the box. This is the brand. I've never heard of them before. I don't know. They might just be Hobby Lobby brand, but they're decorative paper lantern shades, magnetic assembly, and I found them at Hobby Lobby for $3.24. So let me look on the back to see if I can find the price or the name of the brand. Okay, so it seems to be that it's just a Hobby Lobby brand. So if you happen to have a Hobby Lobby in your area and you want to try something like this in your house for your kitchen or anywhere else in your house, then there you are. And they are currently on sale. Okay, so I went ahead and cut the lights off. The overhead light, because I want to see what it looks like with the shades and the light shade on. Ooh, that's pretty. It gives it a nice warm glow, which I really like for this kitchen. So I'm so happy I decided to try this look for the kitchen. I think for our style home, it works out really, really well.